Hey guys, so welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a modded version of your favorite game, which is the, what's it called? No Limit Drag Racing. So this will give us unlimited money. So as you can see, I'm broke, but if I press this button, I can actually turn on the mod menu. So now I can add unlimited gold. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, I've got 200 gold or 600 gold, whatever. Really bad, it's not gonna do much. But I'm gonna show you how to get the No Limit Drag Racing mod. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, it's going up. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this to your device. Let's get into the video. So first thing I want you to do, go to the phone and just type this website right here. So this is the website where you can get it. So once you're on the site, it's gonna be all these like modded apps and stuff. So just type Uber Eats and then it will pop up. So as you can see, it's right there. So before it downloads, it's gonna be a verification. So you just gotta download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official store. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. As you can see, so at the end you can see it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps from the list. So we got like Family Island, it says reach level 11. Then we got Coin Master, it says reach level 10. So just make sure you do some of these, you're gonna be good to go. So peace out guys. I can't tell you exactly what apps will show up, but that's how I get No Limit Drag Racing mod. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and have fun guys. So yeah, super cool.